bringing it back.
You try to get it on 2 wheels?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna put a wheelie bar on the back.
Find a way to make a ramp and do it, and I'll do it.
We're gonna put a
We need to
wheelie
look
bar
into
on the
5
back
different
too.
harnesses before we get into stuff like that, though.
And a roll cage.
And a roll cage. Oh, perfect. All right, we're good. The ratchet strap might get us views, actually.
Perfect.
Yep, it's a rally car.
So we got the radiator.
Radiator, looks like we got a lift, the redneck lift.
Redneck left.
Rubber, the new one?
They might be. Do they feel harder to you?
Yeah, they're a lot harder. Got stripes, heck yeah. I seen we got a bunch of stickers to put on it, that's awesome. The radiator, kitty cat. Woohoo! All right, those actually look really cool, I love it. Awesome.
We tried to fix it.
Hey, I'm not complaining though. For only 60 bucks for a radiator, I was like, dude, I'll gladly pay for that. So where did I pop it? I want
The
to.
whole thing came off. This whole thing was off. That's why we tried to seal all the way around it. Yeah, it didn't.
Man, Blake done messed that up, didn't he?
Ooh!
Had to ruin all the fun. Hey man, hey, 60
You know,
bucks.
I never mirror matched this. I had a picture of it.
Oh, we got an installation guide.
That's what we needed.
I know.
We didn't know what we were doing.
Does it come with pictures though?
It does, I think.
Oh, it does.
Oh. That corner piece that was full of dirt when I took it apart. I wonder how that happened, but. Ooh!
We definitely just need to start ripping trim out of it. Back seats, everything. All right.
So what do you want to do with it? You want to bring it over there?
With it not having any cooling in it and it dying, falling on its
Yeah.
face. How about right here, Connor? Yeah, do right there. It's got nothing in the background hardly. It's got a fence, but I am not the guru for taking pictures here or getting at it. Oh my god, I'm so ready to just start ripping shit out of here. I am so ready to cut this muffler off. Oh, my baby.
Baby.
God.
Sorry,
This is our rally car, okay? We're gonna enter in the Indianapolis 500 with this thing.
You know what? Let's do the intro here.
Let's get a thumbnail and like an opening whenever we get the radiator in it. How about
Yeah,
that?
that's a great
That
idea.
works for me.
That works for me too. Look, guys. Okay.
Yep. Yep. Perfect. That ought to be good. Cool. All right. I think it's time to put a radiator in this thing.
Let's do it.
It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. I hope you're all here for the ride. Come inside, cause it's going down tonight. Only here for one night, no lies. Come and saddle up a ride. Need a yeehaw, you know how ye. Here for one night and we just wanna party. In a fast car, a Ferrari. It's a push start, I don't need a car key. Slide on Broadway, and it's gnarly. On a late night, but I'm not tardy. Right on time for the parties and Barbies. Strolling with a chunk of green like a golf swing.
What's the battery got to it?
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
For startup, maybe? Oh yeah,
Get
that
that
sounds a
tire
lot
turned
better.
again.
Probably find a fuse
Where's the... Yeah, we put some in it because we thought we had a gas.
Beside each one of those squirters and call it good.
Wait.
Yeah, so we'll just lay it down straight, and then we'll cut it, and then we'll be fine.
Oh yeah, that's gonna look cool.
Professional.
Yeah.
I'm just getting that right down.
My car.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You go side to side. They roll it up. Kind of ruins it. Ooh. Most of the wrinkles are just in the satisfying feel.
What?
It's meant for the shimmer. It's sparkle.
Yeah, it hardly even stuck to that, either.
What were you doing?
Let me see that.
A little back in it.
You gonna continue on the...
Do enough to do this front still?
Yeah. Perfect.
Right in the middle?
Yeah, why not?
I hate Google so much because when you open it and you go to the search bar and that pops down and just Gemini.
Hard to settle on Jack.
There it goes.
Yep, it's definitely long.
I didn't want to push against that thing.
I don't know.
Those aren't long ways though.
Yeah. That ain't gonna go in there like that.
I got it in there long ways.
Did you?
Cantaloupe.
Oh.
This is a lot of rubber, yeah. Oh gosh.
I mean a PB blaster.
If we lift it up half, it's not gonna be
good.
impressed.
Alright, getting ready to lower it down, see if our rubbers made a difference. So each jack stands on pinch well. We're gonna go ahead and get it down.
Sure.
Go slow.
Alright, you guys ready?
There's no way that didn't make a difference.
Yeah, it's higher.
Oh yeah, that's definitely higher.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's a lot higher. Whoa! Hey, this was down here. Something. This car was not this.
Sorry. Man.
Yep.
It's alright.
Yep. They're the same. They're the same, Connor. We've been waiting for this whole day.
I'm gonna get some B-roll around it real quick.
Yep.
You guys ready?
No. This is the handle we're referring to. I think it starts better. I think it likes breathing a little bit better.
That sounds so
Dude, that's what I'm saying. It's there now. I like it. It's a race car now. We gotta climb inside the car, not open the door. Ready?
Ready?
All right, let's go. Ah! Oh shit!
I don't know if we can make it up that.
Yeah, I wouldn't test it. Let's keep the radiator for like a week, maybe. It's working, ain't it? Does it feel like it's bogging whenever you're on the throttle?
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes. I just thought that tube might have been our problem, but it's not, I don't think.
No, it's not. It sounds so much better though.
It does. It sounds a lot better. It's pretty dusty. Woo. No, I was gonna pull it, but we already did it, so we're good. Yeah, that actually sounded a lot better. Oh, freak! God damn. Oh, yeah. Ah! Oh!
Okay, idea.
Oh, shit!
You ready?
I guess we'll find out. We ready?
All right. Burn out. Come on.
Watch out, Jacob! Wanted to get a good rev in, you know?
I'm scared for what now?